And Baidoa, hundreds were dying every week. Families were decimated. Many survivors were walking skeletons.
In Baidoa, unfortunately, it costs money to bury these people. It costs the princely sum of $1 to bury a child in Baidoa, but that is beyond the means of most people. So they're just abandoning them in the hope that somebody else with a few bob in his pocket is going to be able to pay for people to take away the dead bodies and bury them properly. So we're finding people...
This little boy's mother had just died, leaving him alone in the world. This baby died in his mother's arms.